Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Today, it's all about Mont Blanc Legend out of Parfume. I got this in the post box today, so let's see what this is all about. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As I said, this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video. I got home from work. I saw this in my letterbox. I did order it from the other day, and I don't know why it took so long, but I got it. So yeah, we're gonna see what this is all about. Mont Blanc Legend or the Parfume. As you all know, this is actually a 2020 release, and yeah, let's see what this flanker is all about. So the box is actually standard Mont Blanc Legend box, right? So got my trusted Swiss knife. As I said before, don't watch the size. Little about talawa, this gets the job done. So put this away. Hey, careful! Don't want to mash it, and I just got it. Alright, so here you go. It is a standard Mont Blanc Legend box. However, this is black and gold. If memory serves well, Mont Blanc Legend was black and silver or black and white. I don't quite remember. And here you have the size and the concentration, of course. This is 100 ml. And then now down here you actually have the batch code. So the bottle is inside, and it is same bottle as the entire Legend line. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the fourth flanker from the line. You have Legend, Legend Spirit, Legend Night, Legend Intense, and now this is the Oil Parfum. Now I do have the original, which is on the right, and as you can see, it is black with silver, and this is black and black with a black and gold cork. So yeah, this already, just by the looks of the bottle, this already looks a bit more matured, a little bit more special compared to this. The bottle cap kicks in place. Let's see. Alright, good. And yeah, it has a nice little feel to it. Let's see what the atomizer is all about. Decent. Now, before I'm going to spray this on skin, let me just give you guys a quick note breakdown. Well, according to Fragrantica, this is considered to be a leather fragrance. Alright. So on the top now, it contains violet leaves along with bergamot. Now in the middle, you have woody notes, you have some jasmine and magnolia. Down by the base now, we have oak moss and leather. So let's see how much different this is from the original. I gave myself 2 sprays. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just gonna spray my other hand with the EDT. Okay. All right. This is interesting. Now, the DNA is similar to Mont Blanc Legend EDT. However, this is the mature version, where Legend would be a bit juvenile. It is to me, it is a bit of a juvenile scent. It does have that kind of, you know, juvenile scent profile. This, however, this is a little bit more refined. It is a more mature. It is a bit spicier. And it's bolder than Legend. Yeah. Definitely. I'm gonna make a bold statement right now. Even though this is just first impressions, but just based on first impressions alone, this, you can't throw away this. If you have this, you can't throw away this. Believe me. Yeah. No, this is actually done good. This is not bad enough, guys. Yeah, I can see myself wearing this more than the EDT version. I can see plenty older guys. So when I say old, I don't mean old man. Just maybe like, you know, above 30. I can see you guys wearing this more than Legend EDT. This is more refined. To me, this is better done. It is heavier. And there's something in it. I can't quite pick up what it is. But there's something in there that I like. Not a bad release from Mont Blanc. Trust me. I mean, Mont Blanc, I mean, they shut the world down with Explorer. And this is another good release. Just based on first impressions, guys. You see, this is the reason why I like doing first impressions. You get the raw, or you get the honest reaction. I haven't smelled this before. This is the first time I'm smelling this. I only use this to see where the difference is and if this is actually better than the original. Because as we all know with flankers, it's either a hit or a miss. We all know that. Everyone in the fragrance game knows that. But this is a hit for me. It is. I know the other flankers, they do get, especially Mont Blanc Night. I do like that scent, but it doesn't get a whole lot of love in the community. But this is nice. I'm going to give this some wear, and I'm going to give this proper testing, and I'll do a full review. Because this is review worthy, guys. Alright guys, so here you have it. Unboxing, first impressions, Mont Blanc Legend or the Parfume. Now, the deal still stands in it, guys. I still have not reached 100 subscribers. I'll get there eventually, but I'm going to do a giveaway whenever I do. So, you know, I'll definitely appreciate if you could click the like button, if you could click on the subscribe button, and while you're at it, why not click on the notification bell so you will be informed whenever your favorite, no, I said I'm not gonna do favorite again, whenever your friendly Jamaican fragrance reviewer uploads a brand new video. You can also catch up with me over at Instagram, because that's where I interact with my subscribers, my fans, and people in general. So you can head over to IG at whiteboys_fragrance_corner, and you can also catch up with me on Facebook, White Boys Fragrance Corner. Now, with that said and done, Man fi smell good. You can't go a club and you smell like cheesy sneakers. Girls them like when men smell good. Just to give you guys a hint. Yeah. And for me personally, I just love getting compliments the Jamaican way. And I know plenty Jamaicans can relate to this. You walk past females and they're like, what a way the man, they smell good. Yeah, that's why I do what I do. Anyways, my peeps, stay blessed, stay safe. Until next time, White Boy is out.